Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeff Wasco and I've been building e-commerce businesses since 1997, over 23 years now. Yes, that is longer than I have been alive. I'm 41 years old. I've been doing it for most of my life. I started out building websites back when you had to use HTML editors like Front Page, Dreamweaver. Since then, it has changed quite a bit. I started selling products, doing 7 figures per year in sales. I've had 6-figure and 5-figure stores I've sold. I just recently sold a 5-figure store on Shopify. I've done Shopify. I have done drop shipping, affiliate marketing. I've done almost anything out there. I've been on almost every social media platform there is. I've been successful on most of them. I'm gonna coach and teach people how to start and run their own business the right way. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel and I'm gonna teach you. I just released one video about subscription model business on Shopify, but I do affiliate marketing. I can teach you the ways to do that for everything from low dollar to high dollar ticket items. I'm not here to sell you anything. If you want to buy something, sometimes it'll be an affiliate link and I will make a little money from it, but there's no courses here that I'm pushing. I'm not trying to get you in anything. I'm just trying to teach and give out knowledge. So if you are interested in learning how to change your life, how to quit 9 to 5, even make a side hustle and get a second income, because that's how it will start. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work. It takes a lot of dedication. You have to put the time in. You can't sit around and just play video games in the beginning. Like, I mean, right now, I got a little game center over here, but that is for when you have the business running and you don't need to actually do that. In the beginning, it takes time and effort. You have to put the time, you have to put the effort in, and I will teach you how to do it. If you have questions, hit me up in the comments. And again, give me a subscribe and I'll teach you the right ways, step by step, video by video. Follow me on YouTube, follow me on TikTok, and you can learn the right ways and what works for you. Without going into great detail, you can do the Shopify stores, you can do brand creation, which is like your own products, private labeling, you can do Amazon, FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon. You can do products on Etsy, from like digital products that you don't even ship. You can do handcrafted goods. You can do Fiverr and Freelance and create your own like graphics and logos. You can do product descriptions and just type. Some of them are you get paid by hour, but you work for home for yourself. A lot of it you make money while you sleep, and that's the ones I do really recommend. And that could be affiliate marketing, that could be the drop shipping model. Drop shipping has changed quite a bit, so I can go over that. You can build your own product or services, like I just did the subscription video, so check that one out. And I'm not gonna keep on rambling, but again, give a subscribe. I'm gonna teach you how to do everything step by step, the right way, without trying to sell you stuff. And we can do this together. Again, you're gonna have to take action. You're gonna have to put some effort in. It will take a little bit of money. Sometimes it's as little as $100 a month for some services. You can get free trials on a lot of stuff. If you wanna do something a little more like you're gonna ship, you're gonna make a little more profit in the long run, but you're gonna have to put a little bit more money out. And that's just the way it works. I mean, it takes money to make money sometimes. I'll teach you step by step. Turn off.